The lion a rush, him just watch things grow. Sit on the hilltop, feel the earth slow. Eye them off close, but him see real clear. Enough man loud mouth, but them live in fear. Wisdom of the lion, roaring soft inside ya. Stand firm, root strong, nah bend for no liar. Head high, shut down, true flame and true fire. Wisdom of the lion, make the whole place higher. Them sell your quick toy, both fortune and fame. But who lose them soul, can't remember them name. Plant little truth seed in a dirty ground. By the time sunrise, it a shake whole town. Who you be when the crowd gone home, when the mask come off and you there alone? Listen deep to the still little tone, that are the roar hidden in your bone. Wisdom of the lion, roaring soft inside ya. Stand firm, root strong, nah bend for the liar. Head high, trod on, true flame and true fire. Wisdom of the lion, make me whole place higher. Chain up your body, but your mind skill free. Bird the mental fence, step cross that boundary. Each little heartbeat a one liberty drum. Every bet you draw, a revolution come now. Wisdom of the lion, war is soft inside ya. Stand firm, root strong, oh, nah bend for the liar. Head high, trod on, true flame and true fire. Wisdom of the lion, make me whole place higher. Easy now, youth man, take time, be wise. But why in your silence more than 100 cries? Walk like the lion, but humble in your stride. Shoot at your banner and love by your guide, yeah. Easy now. Early in the morning, sun just a climb on the hill. Hell on the breadfruit tree, tell me you'd stay still. Listen for the breeze talk true before the crowd start show. Him say strength and not just muscle is how you fight your dough. By the wisdom of the lion, soft fights with iron will. Heart calm like still water, but ready for climb the hill. Roar for the poor and sufferer, roar when the light them spread. Wisdom of the lion, keep your crown by your head, yeah. City full of bright little things, man get selfie or flash. Politician chat sweet sweet, then run with the people cash. Mama said look for your hunger, turn it in a righteous flame. Your belly empty today, my son, but don't make your spirit shame. No, the wisdom of the lion, soft vice with iron will. Heart calm like still water, but ready for climb the hill. Roar for the youth we're hopeless, roar when the world are dreaded. Wisdom of the lion, keep your crown on your head. Jah make you stand up tall. Let go the chain in your mind. That are the first chain for fall over and over. Chant it deep down in your chest. But can't bow down to folly. But born to live my best. Yeah, yes, I the wisdom of the lion. Suffice with the iron will. Heart calm like still water, but ready for climb the hill. Roar for the poor and sufferer. Roar when the light them spread. Wisdom of the lion. Keep your crown on your head. Wisdom of the lion. Keep your crown on your head.
Ancient things in the present time. Open your mind. You, yeah, man. From long time, line I trod through the fire. Men full of story, I full of prayer. Sit on the rock, watch Rome Empire tire. Wall of Babylon glitter, but it can't buy higher. Me see chain palm brain, them call it better living. Me see book on shelf, but nobody read the rhythm. Granny say, hush, take it, no take prison. True freedom of the truth and the courage for live it. Wisdom of the lion, roar inside your heart. My youth, stand up in a Zion. Roots run deeper than dispute. No be crying, storm come, still firm like true. Wisdom of the lion, wake and remember who is you. Enough man chase gold till them soul feel empty. Whole plate of food but the spirit hungry. Sit still, listen here the small things teach we. And build kingdom with a grain them carry. Question them system, every sweet word suspect. Pretty little screen, hide a whole heap dissect. Babylon love vibe more than natural respect. Lion love silence more than load paycheck. Wisdom of the lion, roar inside your heart. My youth, stand up in a Zion. Roots run deeper than dispute. Head high, no be crying. Storm come, still firm like true. Wisdom of the lion, wake and remember who is you. If you feel fair, chant a little psalm tone. Jah light in a darkness, cut through hard stone. Every lion starts small as a blind barn come. Lord, wisdom of the lion, roar inside your heart. My youth, stand up in a Zion. Roots run deeper than dispute. No be crying, storm come, still firm like true. Wisdom of the lion, wake and remember who is you.
Just watch things grow. Sit on the hilltop, feel the earth slow. Eye them half close, but him see real clear. Enough man load mouth, but them live in fear. Wisdom of the lion, roaring soft inside ya. Stand firm, roots strong, now bend for no liar. Dead eye, trod on, true flame and true fire. Wisdom of the lion, make the whole place higher. Yeah. Them sell your quick story about fortune and fame, but who lose them soul can't remember them name. Classical truth seed in a dirty ground. By the time sunrise, it a shake whole town. Who you be when the crowd gone home, when the mask come off and you're there alone? Listen deep to the still little tone, that are the roar hidden in your bones. Wisdom of the lion, roaring soft inside ya. Stand firm, roots strong, now bend for no liar. Head high, tread on, true flame and true fire. Wisdom of the lion, make the whole place higher. Yeah, chain up your body, but your mind still free. Break the mental fence, step across that boundary. Each little heartbeat a one liberty drum. Every breath you draw is a revolution. Come now. Wisdom of the lion, roaring soft inside ya. Stand firm, roots strong, now bend for no liar. Head high, try on, true flame and true fire. Wisdom of the lion, make the whole place higher. Easy now, youth man, take time, be wise. Power in your style is more than 100 cries. Walk by the lion, but humble in your stride. Truth are your banner and love are your guide. Yeah. Easy now, easy now, easy now.
Early morning breeze, sun just a climb on the hill. Ancient drums still a beat, same way creation did will. Granny say you take heed, overstand more than you learn. Book a page, heart a page, fire in a eye chest still a burn. Wisdom of the lion, roaring on your soul, can't quiet it. Jano, stand up firm, heart as iron, treading with the truth, you can't hide it. When fear come, I try tie you down, make courage be your crown, just ride it. Wisdom of the lion, every little step you have to guide it. Them sell illusion cheap, hope wrap up neat in a lie. Them say sleep, tweet, keep sweet, while them a thief out the sky. But time and sight the scheme, see freedom dwell in a mind. Once you wait, you no go back, you can't fit in a them design. Wisdom of the lion, roaring at your soul, can't quiet it. Roar strong, stand up firm, heart as iron, treading with the truth, you can't hide it. When those start to talk too loud, make stillness drown the crowd. Go silent. Wisdom of the lion, every little step you have to guide it. vocal seed we wake. Mash up wall without a sound. Every thought a choice, every word a work a art. Rebel with your joy, build a kingdom in your heart. Wisdom of the lion, roaring at your soul, can't quiet it. Stand up firm, heart as iron, treading with the truth, you can't hide it. When the road rough, cut up your feet, love still a light up the street. Just try it. Wisdom of the lion, every little step you have to guide it.
Ancient thing in the present time. Open your mind, youth, yeah man. From long time, lion a trot through the fire. Men full of story, eye full of pride. Sit on the rock, watch Rome Empire tire. All of Babylon glitter, but it can't buy eye. Miss it chain pan brain. Them call it better living, miss it book on shelf. But nobody read the rhythm. Granny say, hush, take heed. No take prison, true freedom of the truth and the courage to live it. Oh yeah, yeah. Wisdom of the lion, roar inside your heart, my youth. Stand up in a Zion, roots run deeper than dispute. Head high, no be crying, storm come still firm like truth. Wisdom of the lion, wake and remember who is you. Enough man chase gold till them soul feel empty. Whole plate of food but the spirit hungry, sit still, listen. Hear the small things teach we, and build kingdom with a grain them carry. Question them system, every sweet word suspect. Pretty little screen hide a whole heap dissect. Babylon love hype more than natural respect. Lion love silence more than load, yeah, yeah, yeah. Wisdom of the lion, roar inside your heart, my youth. Stand up in a Zion, roots run deeper than dispute. Head high, no be crying, storm come still firm like truth. Wisdom of the lion, wake and remember who is you. Stand firm, stand firm. If you can't hear, feel it in a backbone. If you feel fear, chant a little sound tone. Jah light in a darkness, cut through hard stone. Every lion starts small as a blind barn. Come, Lord, Lord, wisdom of the lion, roar inside your heart, my youth. Stand up in a Zion, roots run deeper than dispute. Head high, no be crying, storm come still firm like truth. Wisdom of the lion, wake and remember who is you. Early in the morning, sun just a climb on the hill. Held under breadfruit fruit tree. Tell me you'd stay still. Listen for the breeze talk through before the crowd start shout. Him say strength and not just muscle is how you fight your doubt. Had the wisdom of the lion, soft voice with an iron will. Heart calm like still water, but ready for climb the hill. Roar for the poor and sufferer, roar when the light them spread. Wisdom of the lion, keep your crown on your head. Yeah. City full of bright little thing, mind get selfie a flash. Politician chat sweet, then run with the people cash. Mama say look on your hunger, turn it in a righteous flame. Your belly empty today, my son, but don't make your spirit shame. No, had the wisdom of the lion, soft voice with an iron will. Heart calm like still water, but ready for climb the hill. Roar for the youth well hopeless, roar when the world adread. Wisdom of the lion, keep your crown on your head. Them want you crawl on your knees, just make you stand up tall. Let go the chain in your mind, that are the first chain to fall. Over and over, chant it deep down in your chest. I can't bow down to folly, my born to live my best. Yeah, yeah, yeah. All the wisdom of the lion, yeah. Soft voice with an iron will. Heart calm like still water, but ready for climb the hill. Roar for the poor and sufferer, roar when the light them spread. Wisdom of the lion, keep your crown on your head. Yeah.
Wisdom of the lion, crown on your head. Roar.
Early morning breeze, sun does a climb on the hill. Ancient drums still a beat, same way creation did will. Granny say you take heed, overstand more than you learn. Book a page, heart a page, fire in a eye chest, still a burn. Wisdom of the lion, roar in your soul, can't quiet it, stand up firm. Heart as iron, treading with the truth, you can't hide it. When fear come, I try tie you down. Make courage be your crown, just ride it. Wisdom of the lion, every little step you have to guide it. Them sell illusion cheap, or prop up neat in a lie. Them say sleep, do we keep sweet, while them a thief for the sky. But I'm on side the scheme, see freedom dwell in our mind. can't fit in a them design. Wisdom of the lion, roaring at your soul, can't quiet it. Draw strong, heart as iron, shouting with the truth, you can't hide it. When doubts start to talk too loud, make stillness drown the crowd. Go silent, wisdom of the lion, every little step you have to guide it. Chant in the distance, Babylon tower tall, but roots dig deep underground. One little seed we wake, mash up wall without a sound. Every thought a child, every word a work of art. Rebel with your joy, build a kingdom in your heart. Yeah. Wisdom of the lion, roaring at your soul, can't quiet it, stand up firm. Heart as iron, treading with the truth, you can't hide it. When the road rough, cut up your feet, love still a light up the street, just ride it. Wisdom of the lion, every little step you have to guide.